Live talking artificial intelligence avatars are digital entities designed to engage in real-time conversations with users. These avatars use advanced technology to simulate human-like interactions, making them seem almost like virtual companions. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make live talking avatars for free. Let's get into the tutorial. First, go to Google and type WONDERSHARE. Click on the first link. Click on your creativity, given on above header, select the Verbo tool, and click to free download. Install the tool in your device, open the tool. Once you open the tool, click on Create Video. This is the place where you are going to create the avatar. Go to the avatar icon. Given above now from here, you can select various avatar you want here. I am adjusting where I want my avatar to be. You can also chain the background with this tool. I am choosing 3D background here. From the voiceover section, you can change the language of the avatars and then the accents. Now for the script, two options are given: whether you want to upload your audio file here or in the text script section. Write what you want your avatar to deliver. You can also change the language of the text by the AI translation option. Click on Export option, and your avatar is ready. You can find your created avatars in My Creation. Just click on the download icon, and you can have the avatar in your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.